name is Kathrin Wedel Diaz-Perez of the law firm of Helfand and Associates in Chicago, Illinois. I have been a DUI defense attorney for 22 years. Today, we will discuss prescription drug DUI, what it is, how it compares to other types of DUI, challenges for the prosecution, defenses, dilemmas, and suggested reforms. Prescription DUI occurs when someone operates a motor vehicle under the influence of a legally prescribed medication that has impaired the driver's ability to drive safely. Prescription DUI is vastly unknown. Picture this scenario. A young attorney is burning the candle at both ends, spending late nights prepping for trial, early mornings in court. To keep up, the attorney takes a prescription stimulant, something his doctor gave him to help manage fatigue and focus. One evening, after a 14-hour day, he's driving home when he is pulled over for rolling through a stop sign. The officer notices his speech is fast and his movements are erratic. The officer smells no alcohol in the vehicle and proceeds to ask if the young attorney had taken any medication. The lawyer is honest about his prescription and ends up arrested for DUI, not for alcohol, not for illegal drugs, but for a prescription drug. This scenario isn't hypothetical. It's a real risk that most people have never heard of. After speaking informally with hundreds of Lyft drivers over several years and sharing a story about a prescription DUI incident, I found that nearly all of them had never heard of the term before, nor did they know of its existence. While not statistically representative, these conversations reflect a broad awareness gap that likely mirrors what national surveys would find. But here's what's even more alarming. Prescription DUI is barely discussed, even among legal professionals who should know better. It's not taught in most law schools, and it doesn't appear on the bar exam. When I asked around informally at law firms, networking events, among former classmates and professors, an overwhelming number of lawyers said they had never heard of prescription DUI. This isn't just a gap in public knowledge, it's a blind spot in professional education, and it's putting both drivers and their careers at risk. This awareness gap means drivers are being arrested and